what it is, kwamba sisi tunapangwa by the great grandchildren of the great leaders of this nation that we call the Luhya nation. Ukienda kule Busia, Ruto na Uhuru wamechukua pesa wameweka kwa mkono ya kijana wetu mdogo Ababu ili watupange. Ababu lazima ajue